Welcome back to Home Decor, the place where design meets inspiration. Today we are diving deep into one of the most important features of any kitchen, the countertop. It's not just a surface where you chop vegetables or place your coffee mug. It's the heart of your kitchen design, setting the mood, the style, and even the personality of your space. From natural stones like marble to modern resin art creations, from soothing blues to earthy browns, from polished shine to soft matte, we'll explore an incredible range of countertop styles, textures, and colors that can completely transform your kitchen. Let's start with the classic marble countertops. Marble has been loved for centuries for its elegance and timeless beauty. It comes in various colors. The ever popular white marble with delicate gray veining, the striking black marble for bold kitchens, and even colored marbles like deep green, blue, or golden brown stone. You can choose between a shiny polished finish which reflects light beautifully or a soft matte finish for a more understated look. Marble works perfectly in both modern and traditional kitchens, making it one of the most versatile options out there. Next, we have granite, another natural stone but with more durability and bold pattern. Granite countertops can range from warm browns and rich chocolate to speckled grays, blacks, and even rosy pink shades. They are perfect if you want strength, resistance to heat, and a natural feel that can last for decades. Pair a brown granite with wooden cabinets for a warm rustic look, or go for dark granite with white cabinets for a striking contrast. For a cozy and natural kitchen feel, nothing beats wood countertops. From light oak to deep walnut, the shades of wood are endless. You can keep them in their natural grain for a farmhouse or cottage vibe, or stand them in colors like warm honey, espresso brown, or even driftwood gray for a modern twist. Wood brings warmth into the kitchen and pairs beautifully with almost any wall or cabinet color. Now let's talk about colorful countertops. The bold statement makers. You can choose countertops in sky blue for a fresh and airy feeling, or sea green for a calming coastal vibe, for a soft feminine touch, lavender or light pink countertops can make your kitchen unique and charming. If you love luxury, deep purple or royal blue can turn your kitchen into a true showpiece. Earthy tones like beige, sandstone, and warm browns bring a natural feel, while multi-shade browns can add depth and richness. For something dramatic, go for dark red, wine red, or burgundy countertops. They stand out beautifully in white or neutral kitchens. We touched on marble earlier, but let's talk about the different types of marbles. There is the classic Carrara marble, the bold Calcutta marble with thick veins, and the warm Cerema marble with beige undertones. You can also find exotic marble with green veins, blue streaks, or even gold sparkles, depending on your lighting and cabinet colors. Marble can feel cool and sleek or warm and inviting. One of the most exciting and modern trend is resin art countertops. These countertops are custom made works of art. And if you want energy, bright yellow countertops can make mornings feel sunnier and happier. The resin art includes swirls of blue and green that looks like ocean waves, metallic streaks of gold and silver for a glamorous touch, or even multicolored designs that look like abstract paintings. Resin countertops can be made in high glow shine for a luxurious look or a matte finish for a more subtle style. The best part, every resin countertop is unique and no one else will have the exact same design as you. They are also durable, easy to clean, and can be paired with any cabinet color from classic white to bold black. Beyond material and color, finish and texture can change the entire look. Glossy countertops reflect light and make your kitchen feel larger and brighter. Matte finishes give a soft modern touch. Textured stone can add depth and an organic feel. Smooth polished wood feels warm and welcoming. Choosing the right finish is as important as choosing the right color. Your kitchen countertop is more than just a work surface, it's a design statement. Whether you choose the timeless elegance of marble, the durability of granite, the warmth of wood, the fun of colorful surfaces, or the creativity of resin art, your countertops sets the tone for your entire kitchen. Take your time, explore textures, play with colors, and create a space that's truly yours. Thanks for watching Home Decor. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. Bye bye.